Hi, it's Clíodhna Ní Aodáin from the Celtic Cello. In this video I'm going to share with you some of my trade secrets for how to survive an event where things don't quite go to plan. You know, like you're playing for a wedding and the bride is late, or playing for an art gallery and the artist doesn't show up. And in my last video I said that possibly we have overdone it with this tune. And I shared with you the Lark in the clear air. Now what I'm going to share with you is something I haven't shared before, and I hope that it will help you to be a more relaxed and confident cellist, to be able to deal with whatever shows up. So the Lark in the clear air, I'm going to take you through phrase by phrase. That was phrase 1. Phrase 2, kind of similar. Now listen to phrase 3. This is our golden opportunity. Something really different just happened. Then the fourth phrase is the same as the second one. And so, like I said, this third phrase is our golden opportunity, because we in this situation can put in another idea there, sandwich it between the known, and it kind of expands the piece. So in case you freak out and think, oh, I can't improvise, I don't know what to do there, I'm going to show you a really easy way. In fact, I'm going to show you 2 really easy ways to improvise. So the first, we're going to look at the Lark in the clear air. It's in the key of G and it's in 3/4 time. So I'm going to play a scale of G. Still sounds like a scale, right? However, we have the key and we have the rhythm. Now if I just change out some of the rhythm, sounding a little less like a scale. Now, something I discovered with this tune is if you take the rhythm of the first phrase for example, I'm still going up and down the scale, very simple, but now I'm getting closer to the Lark in the clear air. Now to make it sound even more Celtic, what you can do is leave out some notes. So we're going to take our Celtic Pentatonic scale, which in G is, these 5 notes, and we'll add the last note. So what happens if we take the rhythm of the first phrase of the Lark in the clear air, which originally is like this, and move it into the pentatonic scale. I think that sounds a lot more Celtic. I just stayed in 1 octave. I'll expand it this time. And then I could play the last phrase again. So this third phrase is our golden opportunity to be creative, to play something in G. It could be the scale or the pentatonic scale, and we use the rhythm as an inspiration. It's a great way of stretching, you know, okay, I have to keep going, keep the vibe the same, no sudden breaks. So, or you could even like make up a whole second half. So I'm going to try that. That was 8 bars. And the only thing I really worked out is that I was going to end on G. So I hope this video helps you to be a more confident and relaxed cellist, to be able to deal with any situation that might show up. But one thing that might be is you get asked to play a whole evening. Now, one tune isn't going to last you for that. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to put a set together that would be really well to sound more Celtic on a special occasion.